Hi everyone, here is another question that you can practice with. So it's 4/5 minus 3.5 divided by 8 1/6. What's great about this is that it kind of does the same thing where it's subtraction and division, where you know you have to do division first, and then you're going to do subtraction. But the problem is that there's a tricky part that you've never done before. But since 4/5 is first, you have to make sure you keep 4/5 here, okay? And you'll understand that in a minute. So 3.5 divided by 8 1/6 is what we want to do first. So we're going to pull ourselves to our work, and we're going to do 3.5 divided by 8 1/6. So we need to change our mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 2, divided by 8 times 6 is 48, plus 1 is 49, so 49 over 6. Now we have to do keep it, change it, flip it, because it's division. So keep it, keep 7 over 2, divide, change it to multiplication, and then 49 6 we're going to change to 6 over 49. Okay, so we are now going to cross cancel. So the number that goes into both 2 and 6, our greatest common factor is 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. And if you're not sure about 7 and 49, you can always do your greatest common factor prime factorization. So 7 is already prime, so it's just 7. 49, if you do the factor tree, it's 7 times 7. So 49 is 7 times 7, and our greatest common factor is 7. All right, so 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 49 divided by 7 is 7. All right, so I'm going to erase just this part really quick. All right, so now 1 times 3, I'm going to cross these off because I'm done. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 7 is 7. So this is the part that I said is new. Usually they have the division first, but now they have subtraction first. So you need to write your 4/5 first before anything, because that's not circled. And then 3.5 divided by 8 1/6 is your answer over here, which is 3/7. Okay, so now we have to do 4/5 minus 3/7. So we're going to do 4/5 minus 3/7. What's sad is that we have to, they're not common denominators. So we have to find we have to find the common denominator. So if you're not sure what the common denominator is, all you do is multiply them together. So it's 5 times 7, 35. So if you're ever not sure, just multiply your denominators together. So 7 times 5 is 35. So 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 7 is 35. 4 times 7 is 28. And now we're going to subtract. So 28 minus 15 is 13. And then you're going to bring down your 35. So now that is your final answer, 13 over 35. And obviously this is what we solved next. All right, and there's your pizza or your, what do we call it? V formation. All right, great job, guys.